I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Bonbon au Lait. First, gather your essential ingredients like milk, sugar, and butter. You'll also need a heavy-bottomed pot and a reliable candy thermometer. Make sure all your tools are clean and ready to go before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful candy-making process. Now combine your milk, sugar, and butter in the heavy pot. Heat this mixture slowly over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent it from sticking or burning. Use your candy thermometer to monitor the temperature carefully. You'll cook it until it reaches the softball stage, which is around 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the mixture reaches the correct temperature, carefully pour it onto a buttered surface, like a baking sheet. Let it cool slightly until it's firm enough to handle comfortably but still pliable. Then, you can cut it into small, bite-sized pieces or roll it into your desired shapes. This is where your bonbons truly come to life. To keep your delicious bonbons fresh, wrap each one individually in wax paper. This prevents them from sticking together and helps maintain their texture. Store your homemade treats in an airtight container at room temperature. They'll be perfect to enjoy for several weeks, offering a sweet, creamy delight whenever you crave one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.